Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a world that feels almost like science fiction. A world where AI apps are so powerful they feel illegal to use. From writing perfect essays to creating stunning art, AI is changing everything, and some of these tools are just mind-blowing. In this video, I tested several AI apps that feel like they're breaking the rules, and I'm going to tell you all about them. Let's start with the first one. AI art generators. Imagine being able to describe any scene or idea in words, and a machine instantly turns it into a detailed painting or image. That is exactly what AI art generators do. Apps like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion allow you to create images that look like they were made by professional artists in seconds. What makes them feel almost illegal is how realistic some of these images are. You can generate portraits, landscapes, fantasy worlds, or even characters that don't exist. You can take a normal photo and turn it into a Pixar-style character or a painting by Van Gogh. It feels like you're cheating at life because the results look so professional, yet you did not draw a single line. But with this power comes responsibility. Some people misuse AI art to create fake identities, deepfakes, or misleading images. This is where it feels like these apps are walking a fine line between creativity and something that should maybe be restricted.
AI writing tools.
Next, we have AI writing tools. These are programs that can write essays, articles, or even entire books for you. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and WriteSonic are capable of producing content that is coherent, grammatically correct, and creative. The reason these feel illegal to use is that you could, theoretically, hand in a full essay or report without writing a single word. It feels like you're getting away with something because the AI does all the hard work, and it can be extremely fast. You type a prompt, and within seconds, you get pages of polished text. But again, the ethics here are tricky. Using AI to cheat on school assignments or professional work can have consequences. Still, it is fascinating to see how these tools can also help writers brainstorm ideas, draft content faster, or improve their writing skills.
AI music generators.
Next, we have AI music generators. Have you ever wanted to create your own song but had no musical skills? AI music apps make this possible. Programs like Aiva, Amper Music, and SoundRaw can create original music in any genre. You just describe the mood, tempo, or instruments, and the AI produces a full song in minutes. It feels almost illegal because you can create music that sounds like it took months to produce. Even professional musicians use AI to speed up composing or get inspiration. The apps can produce background music for videos, podcasts, or games with just a few clicks. It feels like the future of music is here, and you can be a one-person orchestra.
AI video generators.
Next, we have AI video generators. Videos are usually expensive and time-consuming to make, right? Not anymore. AI video generators like Pictory, Runway, and Synthesia allow you to create professional-looking videos without cameras, actors, or expensive equipment. You can type a script, choose an AI avatar, and the app produces a video in minutes. It feels almost illegal because making a video usually requires a lot of work, but AI makes it effortless. You can even create deepfake-style videos where the AI changes the face or voice in the video. This technology is incredibly powerful, but also scary because it can be misused to spread false information.
AI voice generators. Speaking of voices, AI voice apps are another category that feels like cheating. Apps like ElevenLabs, Murf, and Resemble AI can imitate any voice. You type text, choose a voice, and the AI reads it perfectly. The apps can even clone your voice if you provide samples, which is both amazing and creepy. You could create audiobooks, narrations, or even prank your friends using someone's voice. It feels illegal because the AI can create voices that are almost indistinguishable from real humans. Of course, using this technology responsibly is very important. AI image upscalers and enhancers. Have you ever tried to enlarge a small image and found it became blurry or pixelated? AI image upscalers like Topaz Gigapixel and Let's Enhance solve that problem. They can take a low-resolution image and turn it into a high-resolution masterpiece. It feels illegal because the AI can recover details that were never there. Old photos, game screenshots, or small product images can suddenly look like professional quality. For photographers and designers, this is a game changer. But it also raises questions about authenticity because the AI is technically generating data that never existed in the original image. AI code generators. For programmers, AI coding tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Replit AI feel almost like magic. These apps can write code, fix bugs, and even explain programming concepts in plain English. Imagine typing a function description and the AI writes the full code for you. It feels illegal because you're getting work done that usually takes hours in just seconds. Beginners can learn faster, and professionals can speed up projects. But again, copying AI-generated code without understanding it could cause problems later. AI chatbots that know too much. AI chatbots like ChatGPT can do more than just answer questions. They can simulate conversations, give advice, or role-play as someone you want to talk to. Some AI bots even remember context and continue conversations over time. This feels illegal because talking to an AI can sometimes feel like talking to a real person who knows everything. People use these chatbots for mental health support, brainstorming, or just entertainment. But it also raises questions about privacy and trust. AI doesn't have feelings, but it can mimic them so convincingly that it feels almost human. AI image-to-image generators. Another wild AI tool is the image-to-image generator. Apps like DALL-E 3 and Runway can take a photo and transform it into a completely different style. You can make a photo look like a painting, cartoon, or even a realistic 3D render. It feels illegal because you can take something simple and turn it into a masterpiece instantly. Photographers, marketers, and designers use these tools to create visuals faster than ever before. But just like AI art, this can be misused to create fake images or misleading content. AI personal assistants. Finally, AI personal assistants are taking over tasks that used to be impossible for a machine. Apps like X.AI, Replica, and ChatGPT plugins can schedule meetings, write emails, and even make decisions for you. It feels illegal because you can delegate your work to a machine and it gets done perfectly. Some people use these tools to manage their businesses, social media, or personal projects. It's like having a super smart employee who never sleeps and never complains. Why these apps feel illegal. Now, you might be wondering why these apps feel illegal. The truth is not that they're breaking any laws. They feel illegal because they're so powerful and easy to use. They blur the lines between human creativity and machine intelligence. Before AI, creating professional art, music, videos, or writing took years of practice. Now, with a few clicks, anyone can do it. That level of power in anyone's hands can feel like cheating the system. But it's not illegal, yet it challenges how we think about work, creativity, and talent. The risks of AI. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. AI apps can be misused in many ways, creating fake news or deepfakes, cheating in school or work, stealing someone's voice, image, or ideas, making biased or harmful content. Because AI is still learning, it's not perfect, so using these apps responsibly is very important. The future of AI apps. The future is both exciting and scary. AI apps will keep getting better and more realistic. They will change the way we work, learn, and create. Some people worry that AI might replace jobs, but it can also make life easier, faster, and more creative. We're at the start of a new era where humans and machines work together. The key is to use AI as a tool, not a replacement for our own skills. Learning how to use these apps safely and effectively will be a huge advantage in the future. So those are some AI apps that feel almost illegal to use. They can create art, music, videos, writing, code, and even talk like humans. They feel like magic, but they're real and accessible today. If you're curious about AI, start experimenting. Try an AI art app, write something with AI, or generate your own music. But always remember to use them responsibly. The power of AI is amazing, but with it comes responsibility. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. These AI apps feel illegal to use, but they are the future of creativity and productivity. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me which AI app you would try first. Thanks for watching.